If you love savory, take a look at this savory cup that looks amazing. To stuff dough, ingredients 1 tablespoon butter, 2 garlic cloves already crushed. Now just stir, but don't let the garlic brown too much. Also place 210 ml of water, and then one I used was for cooking the chicken. 1 cup of flour, and now just stir the stuff until it cooks. Guys, leave the city you're talking about in the comments so I can send you that big hug and know where my recipe is arriving. The dough is already smooth and this is the ideal point. I put on a band, opened it a little with my finger and let it cool down a bit. Now, let's go to the chicken stuffing. Place 1 tablespoon of butter, 3 cloves of garlic already ground, stir until golden. Pepperoni to taste, stir again. 500 grams of shredded cooked chicken. In addition, also 100 ml of water so that the chicken doesn't get dry. For this chicken to be very creamy, add 3 tablespoons of curd. Paprika to taste. Salt also to taste. Paprika is just to give a color, but if you want you can add tomato sauce. Here I added 2 more spoons of paprika to enhance the chicken color even more. Reserve the chicken on the side and let's go to the dough modeling. With a rolling pin or any utensil that is available in your home, roll out the dough, but doesn't make it too thin. With the bottom of glass, let's make the markings and with a knife, just cut along the line so we can start shaping the dough. Make 3 or 4 more discos for the middle and mouth of our glass. In the meantime, I want to send a big hug to Maria, who assists us in Gurupi, Tocantins, Brazil. That strong hug for you and your whole family. I'm very grateful for you to join us. The number of discs will depend of the amount of stuffing you want to put. In my case, I used 5 units for the decoration of our glass. I'm going to make a savory. If you don't follow our page, you have to follow right now. We post video every day at 6:30 p.m. It's ready, now it's just a matter of molding the clubs and savories. To bread, just passing in water and then in the breadcrumbs. If you prefer, you can refrigerate it for 30 minutes to make it more crunchy. Now just fry it in hot oil and you're done. This dough is delicious. Let's start assembling our cup with chicken, curd and pasta. Here I'm using 700 ml cup. Start by adding the dough, then the chicken, and then the curd or cream cheese. Now just repeat the process until our glass is finished. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to leave a comment, like and love it one, and share the video with everyone. To give that final touch, let's put the drumstick on the top of our glass. Guys, look how delicious our savory is. Make it home that I'm sure everyone will love, and the recipe pays off. I hope you enjoyed that strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.